Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Fairy Lights Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the block stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Essentially, this blanket is made up of blocked granny squares, which I already have a tutorial on my channel, all joined together with the mesh join as you go method. So let's go ahead and get started. To start row 1, make 4 chains. Into the chain farthest away from your hook, make 2 double crochet. These chains plus 2 double crochet make our first side of our square. Now we need to make our first corner, make 2 chains, and that is going to be our first corner. Into this same chain that we were working into, make 3 double crochet. And that is our next side. Make 2 chains for our next corner. Into the same center space, make 3 double crochet. Make 2 chains for our next corner, and into the same center space, make 3 double crochet. So we have all of our sides made. We have 4 for our square. Now we're going to make 2 chains for our last corner space. Then once you reach the beginning of this row where you made these chains, you're going to slip stitch into the top of those chains to complete this row. To start row 2, you will flip your square. So we are looking at the back of my square now. You're going to bring in your new color with making a slip knot, and you're going to attach it to any previous corner space and make 4 chains. Now into this same corner space, make 1 single crochet. We're going to get into our sequence now. Make 3 chains to skip to the next corner space, and into that corner space make a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet all into that same corner space together. We're going to start repeating from this chain 3. Make 3 chains, skip to the next corner space, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all into that same corner together. Make 3 chains to skip to the next corner space. Make a single crochet, chain 3, and another single crochet all into that corner space together. Make 3 chains. You're going to skip these 3 stitches to this next corner space. But once you reach the first chains that you made in this row, you're going to slip stitch into those first chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, you're going to flip your square. So we are looking at the front of my square now. You're going to bring in your new color. You're going to make a slip knot, and you're going to attach that to any previous corner space. And then make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch. Into this same corner space, make 2 double crochet. Then make 2 chains, and then make 3 double crochet all into this same corner space together. We're going to get into the sequence for this row. Our square is very small right now, but as you make bigger squares, you're going to have more of these side spaces to work into. Into each side space across, you're going to make 3 double crochet. Right now we only have 1, so into this 1 you're going to make 3 double crochet, but this is one of those rows that you will be repeating since your square is going to get bigger. And as your square gets bigger, you'll have more of these to work into, so you'll be making more of these 3 double crochet into more chain spaces. Right now, we only have the 1. So we've reached our next corner space. Into the next corner space, make 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet again, all into that same corner space together. Then you're going to start repeating from this side right here. Into the next chain space on your side, make 3 double crochet. Into the next corner space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into that same corner space. Into the next side space, 3 double crochet. So you can see how everything is looking so far. Into the next corner space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet all into that same corner space together. Into this last side space, you're going to make 3 double crochet. Then once you reach the beginning of this row where you made your first chains, you're going to slip stitch into the top of those first chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, you're going to flip your square. So we are looking at the back of my square now. You're going to bring in your new color, make a slip knot, and you're going to attach it to any previous corner space. And you're going to make 4 chains. Now into that same corner space, make a single crochet. We're ready to make our sequence for our first side. You're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 stitches, and then into this space between stitches, make a single crochet. You're going to do that for any previous set of 3 double crochet on your side. So again, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip 3 stitches. Into this space between stitches, make a single crochet. Then make 1, 2, 3 chains to skip any previous 3 stitches. Now we've come to our next corner space. Into that corner space, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Now you're going to start repeating from our side over here where we made this first chain 3. Make 3 chains to skip any previous 3 stitches. Into this space between stitches, single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 stitches. Into this space between stitches, single crochet. And just like row 3, right now the squares I'm making are small, but they will be bigger and you will have more of these sets of double crochets to skip over once your squares get bigger. This is all we have right now, so that's why I'm saying once you get to your side, you will make this sequence basically until you reach the next corner space, and that will depend on how big your square is. So I'm going to make 3 chains to skip to the next corner space, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet all into that same corner space together. Make 3 chains to skip the next set of 3 double crochets, so these 3 right here, into this space between stitches, single crochet. Make 3 chains to skip 3 stitches into this space. Make 1 single crochet. Make 3 chains to skip 3 stitches into our next corner space, single crochet, chain 3, and single crochet. Make 3 chains to skip 3 stitches into the space between stitches, single crochet, chain 3, skip 3 stitches into the space between stitches, single crochet, chain 3 to skip the next 3 stitches. Now once you make it back to the beginning of this row where you made your first chains, you're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 3 and 4 for how big you want your squares. I made 6 rows for each of my squares, and then I joined them using the mesh stitch join as you go method. I already have a video on that method and a photo tutorial on that method, and I will have both listed down below. So using that method, I made my first square with 6 rows, and then I started using the join as you go method to join the rest of my squares together. So let's get into my example blanket. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 72 squares total, or 8 by 9 squares for my example blanket. And that is going to be how to make my Fairy Lights Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.